Okay, I'm going to show you how to weave this, okay? What's important is that you take turns with your two colors. So I'm going to do pink first, and then I'll do blue. And then you turn it and you do the other color next. So you're just going to repeat this same process. So I'm going to do bottom right, and I'm going to pull this up to the top of my X, and it's going to make a little fork. Okay, now the top left is going to come down, and it's going to make it an X again. Okay, turn it like the hands of clock. So now it's blue's turn. So I'm going to go bottom right to the next notch over to make the fork. Okay, now it's the left hand side to make the X again. Okay, turn it like the hands of clock. So now it's pink's turn again. So I'm going to take this bottom right, goes up to the notch right up next fork. Okay, and I'm going to take the left hand side, make it back to an X. Okay, turn, blue's turn, right to a fork, left drops down, turn it like the hands of a clock, right to a fork, left drops down, turn it like the hands of a clock. You need to make sure you pull your little knot. You also need to make sure every once in a while you rake your hands, your little fingers through these yarns so that you don't get them tangled. You will get much quicker at this. Okay, right to the top, left drops down. Make sure you do not cross over. Okay, you do not want to cross over. That will make a different kind of pattern. We don't want that. Right drops down, right goes, left drops down. Turn it like the hands of a clock. Eventually, you're going to get a really cool weaving on your loom, and it will look like this. It'll get this cool spiral pattern. And then all you do to take this off is once you've got it long enough, you just pull these off of your loom, pull this out, and then you're just going to make a loop and tie a knot at the very end. Just like this, you'll pull it tight, and then you'll have two ends, and you can tie those two ends together for a nice bracelet. When you are pausing, let's talk about that real quick. When you're pausing, so let's see, blue just had a turn, and I know that because it's on top of the pink. Okay, so it's pink's turn. Okay, when I want to pause my work, I'm going to set it up like a fork, because when I pick it up again, I'll know, oh, it's at a fork, so I know it's pink's turn. Okay, so I'm going to drop the left hand down and then keep going, turn it like the hands of a clock, blue's turn. So when you're ready to pause your work, because you're not done, you need to leave it like a fork. And that's it.